Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So today in class 3 English language we are going to do lesson 13. This is adverbs. So all of you know by now that what are adverbs? The words which tell us more about verbs are known as adverbs. Alright. So with the help of so many examples in our previous class we have done. Okay, like the children played merrily. So you see here, the children played merrily. The word merrily, it tells us more about the verb played. So merrily is the adverb here. Okay, so in this way, you can say the soldiers fought bravely. How the soldiers fought? Bravely. So we are using bravely as an adverb here, and it is telling us more about the verb fought. The soldiers fought bravely. Alright. Now you see here, children, the children played merrily. If I ask you how the children played, so you see immediately in your mind it will come merrily. So how the children played merrily. How the soldiers fought bravely. Alright. Now you see these adverbs here, merrily and bravely, they tell us how the actions are performed. Alright, today I am going to teach you about how, when and where the actions are performed. Alright. You see here some more examples are given here on page 79. She ran quickly to the post office. How she ran? She ran quickly to the post office. Okay, now quickly she ran. Alright. So quickly is the adverb here, and it is telling us how she ran quickly. So you see here how the action is performed here, it is telling. Okay. He waited patiently for his turn. How did he wait? He waited patiently. So you see here patiently is an adverb. It is telling how the action is performed. Okay. He waited patiently. How he waited? He waited patiently. So the adverbs here, quickly and patiently, they are telling how the actions are performed, how the actions are done. Okay. Now you see here, I went to the circus yesterday. When did you go to the circus? Yesterday. Alright. So it is telling us about when. It is telling us about time. Okay. When. She is having a dinner now. What she is having now? She is having a dinner now. So when she is having a dinner? Now. Alright. When she is having a dinner? Now. So you see here yesterday and now are adverbs here in these sentences, and they are telling us when the actions are performed. You have to keep in mind, you see here the words like yesterday, now, tomorrow, today, they will tell us when the actions are performed. Alright. Rahman is hiding there behind the tree. Alright. Where is Rahman hiding? Where? See, if you frame a question, immediately in your mind it will come. Where Rahman is hiding? He is hiding behind the tree. So where? Okay. In this sentence you see Rahman is hiding there behind the tree. Here, there is the adverb. Alright. It is telling us where the action is performed. So where the action is performed? Behind the tree. I searched everywhere for my mug. I searched everywhere for my mug. Where did I search? I searched everywhere. So it is telling us where the action is performed. Okay. So here you see everywhere is an adverb here in this sentence, and it is telling us that where I searched. I searched everywhere. Alright. So you see here there and everywhere. It is telling us where the actions is being performed or is being taken place. Alright. So we have learnt here about how the actions are performed, when the actions are performed, and where the actions are performed. So we are going to do this exercise which is based on this. Alright. So you see, underline the adverbs in these sentences. Then write in the blanks whether the adverbs tell us how, when or where. Alright. So you see here, see the board. My old horse jogged slowly. So here which one is the adverb? Slowly is the adverb. And what is coming in your mind? How my old horse jogged. How? So you write down here how. All right. Okay. Once again, I am repeating number 1. My old horse jogged slowly. So, how my old horse jogged? Slowly. So, you have to keep in mind, here you see how the action is performed. This sentence tells us that how the action is performed. Alright. So, how? My brother can cook well. You see here, which one is the adverb here? My brother can cook well. Well is the adverb. So, how my brother can cook? Well. Alright. So, how is coming in your mind? Alright. Okay. Now you see, a bird is sitting outside. Where the bird is sitting, immediately if you want to frame question, it will come in your mind. Where the bird is sitting? Outside. So here you see outside is the adverb here. Outside is the adverb and it is telling us where. Alright, where the bird is sitting, outside. Alright, to catch the bus, you have to leave now. So, to catch the bus, you have to leave now. When you have to leave, it is coming in your mind. When you have to leave. So, to catch the bus now, you have to leave now. Now is the adverb. Now. Now, it also denotes time. Alright. Now. And it is telling us, what it is telling us? When the action is performed. Alright. When the action is performed. Please keep in mind all these things. Okay, you have to understand by reading. Like suppose these statements are given, you have to read this statement and you have to understand whether it is how, whether it is when or whether it is where. Okay. Now you see here, the children were sitting nearby. Where the children were sitting? Where the children were sitting? They were sitting nearby. So where immediately it is coming in your mind. Where the children are sitting? Nearby. Alright. All the answers were marked correctly. So you see here how the answers were marked. How the answers were marked correctly. So you see here how the actions, it is showing here, it is denoting in this sentence that how the action is performed. Okay. All the answers were marked correctly. So how the answers were marked correctly. Alright. You see correctly is the adverb here. Okay. Once again I am saying from 1 to 6. Then I shall continue. My old horse jogged slowly. It is telling us how. My brother can cook well. Here also it is telling us how the action is being performed. A bird is sitting outside. Here it is telling us where the action is performed. Outside. To catch the bus, you have to leave now. So, when the action is performed? Now. The children were sitting nearby. Where the action is performed? Nearby. Alright. All the answers were marked correctly. How the answers were marked correctly. Alright children. So 1 to 6 you do. In the next class I shall continue from 7 to 12. Okay. Thank you.